Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Buick Envision. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a waterfall chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, and then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, and this Envision is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Power assist liftgate, so with simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Envision on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.